This is where they go. And inside they're making honeycomb. It's kind of hard to see, but if you look closely, you can see some white honeycomb that they're starting to build in there.
Here, we can open it up, because there's no bees on this end.
And this is the top bars.
I'm going to point the camera again. I'm going to remove the scent cap.
Bee cam. I don't know if that's a good idea.
Alright. Ready?
Is that a good idea? Oh no, that's bad. I don't have a suit on.
It's alright.
No!
Here, I'll take it.
Okay.
So if you look down here, if you can see it, that is what the inside of a beehive looks like. Pretty cool. Alright, there you go.
That's it.